Hi, welcome back. This is the session on case picking. In the last session, we have completed these four steps. Now we'll start with the setting up an item and basically item setup. Then we have to say UOM setup and then in booking an order. That's the booking an order. These are the steps that we need to perform. Let's start with the item setup now. So we'll set up finished goods. Item setup navigation is here, master item. Go ahead and we'll create a FG, let's say 1, finished goods 1, apply the template, apply purchased item, and make sure that this item is sellable. This is all ticked in already. So this is perfectly okay because we need UM as well. So right now the primary UM is set as primary. We'll go ahead and assign this to our warehouse that we are working on. This is BW1. You can assign this item using tools, organization assignment, go to BW1, assign this item. This completes the setup at the finished goods level. So the item creation part is over. That was the step number. There is no number here. Item setup is complete. Let's go to the UAM setup. Now UAM, we have WCS and each. So we have to set this relationship there. I'm gonna put WCS. All right. So the conversion, right? So UM conversions are defined somewhere here. We can navigate and find, yes. Go to the conversions. This WCS is not, it's intra class or inter class. I need to find that. So let's go ahead and look for the classes. I guess the quantity is the class there we can find. Okay, so got each. Yeah, each is out there in quantity. And let's see where is the WCS. Here is WCS, right? So WCS and each both are available in the same quantity. So we will apply intra class conversion. I can go to that within the class conversion, right? So put your product here, FG1. This is the WMS case, I believe. Yep. And we can put 10 eaches. Okay, so one WMS case is equal to 10 each, so the conversion is established. So this completes the step 2. If you see here, we're done with this. The last one is to book an order for this item. So let's put the item selling price. So booking an order, we have to go to the order management screen. So we'll go to order management. We book first we need to put this item into a price list. So I'm gonna open the pricing screen. Let's see where it is. Bombay purchasing. So we don't find this responsibility here, menus here. So we go to advanced pricing and put the selling price there. Pricing manager probably. It's not there. We have to add the responsibility. Let's go ahead and do that. Before I do that, I'll just verify Oracle Pricing Manager Global. Okay, we got a price list here. We might use just the standard price list and define this item under that price list. We'll find the standard price list. Business world. Okay, let's take this. Okay, this is for sales order grade, so I'm gonna define a plus as a new item. I can do item number, put your item number. This is FG1. Go ahead and put this item unit price as maybe $12. Save it. So this business world price list is what we are going to use. So that's great. I think this is okay. Now we go back to order management responsibility. As you see, this is a super user. I'll go to the super user responsibility, open the sales order and try to book the order. So we use the customer business world. Okay, I have another one which we have created, business world price list. Okay, I'll make sure that is there. You're shipping it from BW1, so I'll just leave it that way. I go to the line item. Okay, so we come to the line item. Let's enter the ordered item. So our item is FG1. We put 2 units, 20 quantity. Now 10 each is 1 WCS, so 20 each become like 2 WCS. So I just tab out, the system is doing the pricing calculation to default the unit price. Okay, the price has defaulted 12. Go ahead and verify the warehouse is correct. This is shipped by DHL, so this is also correct. So rest of things are fine. I think we can go ahead and book the order. Okay, so we got the order booked. We note down the order number 66433. I'll just update it here. The order is booked, so we can go 66433. Let's double check. 66433, correct. So the order is booked. The next step would be creating some on-hand quantity. In case sub inventory, because we're using a new item, this item doesn't have the on-hand quantity, so we'll go ahead and create some on-hand quantity in the system. Okay, in order to create the on-hand quantity, we can use the mobile supply chain window. Let's go to warehousing, inventory, then receipts, then miscellaneous receipts. Put some account code combination here. You can scan it as well. I would the first one, LPN, do control G, 58A, FG1. You can scan the item, which sub inventory it's going in, case, which locator. You can do control L to find, otherwise you can scan, find each. I'm gonna create 10 and then save and next. Okay, then control G, same item, same quantity, 10 10 22 boxes I have created. Perfect, and done. So 20 on hand is created. Sales order is also 20. So now we have enough supply to meet the demand. Now we can, next step would be releasing these orders, the order that you have created here. Now on hand quantity is created and 20 each in 2 boxes. This is there already in the system. So next step would be to release this order for the picking process. So let's do that next step in the next video, and then we can continue analyzing this while you release which rule is getting applied and the one that we wanted, the case picking, whether it's working or not. So but the data setup is all complete. The next processes will involve directly releasing the orders for shipping, for picking, and then perform the shipping activity. So thank you very much for watching this video.